Okay, in the second video, we're going to look at radiation map, which basically helps us with how good or bad our self shading of system of buildings is. So for that, I'm just gonna switch off my sun and my wind. Here there's a drop down radiation map, and it has these things that you can go from top to bottom. I'm not gonna change the year and the calendar. I want the entire year. Assign materials, we're not doing anything right now. Add analysis surfaces. So I have this entire box, the cylinder, and the bottom surface as the analysis surfaces. Once I click on this, I can select these. Holding shift, I can select multiple. I can do a drag also. So I'll drag the entire thing and select, and then I'll click on this plus, and it will say that the ID varies. This is a sensor spacing, around 4 to 5 meters of spacing is fine for sensors, and this is okay. I'll click this. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 surfaces registered. The only problem is you'll see these points, these are sensors, but on the black surface there is some problem, the flat surface. The problem is if I orbit, and in Rhino I orbit by using my right click. If I orbit, you'll see the sensors are funnily placed downwards. So what the way is, the good side of the surface has just been flipped down. So I'll use the flip command, and I'll click on this, and it will go up. So the down will become black, which I don't need. So now everything is fine. I have all of these sensors on all these 4 surfaces. So this is done. I can add a tree, and if I go here, there is a possibility of adding sparse, medium, or a dense tree, and a short, round, or a tall tree. Okay, and I can have different points, or I can add them manually. Okay, the moment you do it, you will probably take some time, but you can add these trees based on you can make a circle. Let's say if I make a circle and I say array tree, it asks select circle or points. I'll select this, and it says enter, and it says how many do you need. So I will say that maybe size and rotation jitter, let's say I say 4 or 3. Let's say 4. It doesn't register that. Okay, let's say 1. Rotation jitter, okay, none. Size only, rotation jitter only. Achha, this is just asking for options, not actual number. So I'll say none, and it'll just put 1 in the center. But if I put let's say different points, and if I say array tree, it says select number of points. I'll do this and press enter, and just press enter again. It will put 3. So I can put points also, and then select the points instead of putting them manually. I can put circles, and it will put at the center of the circle. So that's how you can put a tree. And once we're ready to done, we can for now I'll just delete these, and I can go here and do an analysis. Now it'll take some time, but it will show up the results here as separate from a tab here. This was the CS workflows, this is the CS results, which you can again drag and sort of combine with these existing Rhino tabs. But for now, we are just taking it sort of like a floating window. And let's see, it's going to take like, let's say, a minute or something to get the results out. But we can see that how we can analyze the results, print the results, and also sort of do multiple iterations and review and compare those iterations. It's probably going to take some time. I think it's already almost done. It's in the last phase. Yeah, it should be done any moment. Yeah, it has these results out and it's done. I can double click on this and call this 1. Okay, and I click outside, it goes out, but if I click on it, it shows this map. You can change the color by going here and taking a different scheme, but I think this red, yellow, blue works. And that's all. I can go out and I can, let's say, do something else.